Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Aves once here again. And as you can see from the title, today I am going to show you how to use your jade roller and the Gua Sha to help get rid of cellulite and stretch marks. As you all know, this beauty instrument over here is usually used for the face and the neck area. It basically helps get rid of wrinkles, and it kind of reverses aging. But what many people do not know is the fact that this also is very effective when it comes to the removal of cellulite and stretch marks. Without wasting time, let's just get started. But hey, check out my description box and my very first comment if you want to get this jade roller and Gua Sha. I have the purchase link over there. So basically you have to start from a very clean body, and as you can see, I am going to be working on my thighs. I just got out of the shower, so my body is very clean. I will be using some cocoa butter, and as you can see, I have here this cocoa butter. This is about 20 grams. I'll just go ahead and melt it up. This oil helps improve the elasticity of your skin, and it helps in the production of collagen. So I'll set the melted oil aside for later. Now I'll get a bowl and come in with my Baimei, Gua Sha, and jade roller. I'll pour some lukewarm water over it. This will help heat up the stone a little bit. Now I must say the water should not be hot. It should be lukewarm. It shouldn't be more than 80 degrees Celsius. I'll leave it in the warm water for about 3 minutes. I'll get it out and just dab it dry with a kitchen paper. Now I'll pour my melted cocoa butter onto my thighs. I will rub and massage it gently. So after the whole area has been covered, I will come in with the jade roller. I will pass it from my hip area to my knee area. You don't have to pass it forward and backwards. You just have to stick to this forward motion. You need to apply a little bit of pressure. It shouldn't be too much, but you should push the roller down with a little bit of force. I'll pass over the same area for about 7 to 10 times. Then I'll move on to another area. I must say I love this particular Baimei Jade roller and Gua Sha because it retains the heat for a very long time. The stone is very high quality, and there is no need to go reheat it up. This can maintain the heat throughout. This is so relaxing and very satisfying to do. For maximum results, you have to do this about 3 times in a week. I must say, not only is it going to get rid of the cellulite and the stretch marks, but it's also going to improve the elasticity of the skin. It reduces the puffiness and the wrinkles on your body. It's going to ease the muscle tension. And it's also going to help product absorption. So basically, this is going to help the absorption of the cocoa butter into your affected area, hence maximizing its benefits. This is especially very good for athletes because it's going to help release and reduce the tension in your legs, hence preventing muscle pull. You can also use the Gua Sha stone for the same results. If you've got stretch marks, you can put the warm Gua Sha stone on the affected area after you have massaged in the cocoa butter. Just leave it there for about 30 seconds and let the oil absorb into your skin. So generally this will take about 15 minutes for the 2 legs, depending on how huge the affected area is, of course. Afterwards, you're just good to go. I love to do those in the night before going to bed, and when I wake up in the morning, I can feel the difference. You are going to see great improvement within the first week. So this is it, guys, and I hope I did help you. So this is it, guys, and I hope I did help you. If you want to check out the Baimei Jade roller and the Gua Sha, check out the description box or check the very first comment. The purchase link has been pinned over there. This is very affordable and you can find it on Amazon. So if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.